How to start and finish opinion paragraphs.
Topic and concluding sentences?
Yes, that's the one. And we will show you many examples.
Now, to do this, we're going to need to take a look at step 10 of Easy English Writing Steps.
This is a free download from EnglishClip.com. Check out the link below this video.
In step 10, there are some very useful words and phrases that we can use in our writing. Let's take a closer look, Ralph.
Okay, here we go. And in the first section, we can see expressing opinions, and in the last section, conclusions.
Okay, have you got a topic, Ralph?
Yes. How do you feel about where you live?
That sounds familiar. Didn't we do that before?
Yes, but I thought we could look at it again to see different ways of working with a topic.
So before you start writing anything, you need to think about your opinion on the topic. What is your position?
What, you mean how you feel about it?
Exactly, Ralph. Do you agree or disagree? Are you for or against? Do you love it or hate it? You have to decide and keep it clear in your mind while you are writing.
Shall we bring in the Oreo table, Justin?
Yes, Ralph. That's an excellent way to make a good opinion paragraph.
If you want to see how to do this, just take a look at our opinion paragraph video.
Yeah, check the info button at the top of the screen if you want to see how to write a complete paragraph.
Oreo. Opinion. Reason. Explain. Opinion again.
Now, the topic sentence in an opinion paragraph is the same as in any other topic sentence. It needs a topic and a main point, and it should also express your opinion. The concluding sentence should do the same, but in different words.
Shall we take a look at some examples, Justin?
Yes, Ralph, come on, let's get on with it.
How about this? In my opinion, living in the countryside is extremely troublesome.
It's okay. It has the topic and the main point, and it does express your opinion, but it could be better.
I thought you'd say that, Justin, so I did a rewrite. How about this? I live in the countryside, an ideal situation for many people, but in my experience, it is extremely troublesome.
Oh yes, that's much better. You're being kind to your readers now. And the concluding sentence?
Okay. To conclude, country living brings many difficulties to everyday life, and from my point of view, it is most inconvenient.
Okay, Ralph, that's great. Same meaning, but different words in the conclusion. Next.
Is travelling abroad beneficial to young people? In my opinion, travelling abroad is beneficial to young people.
Oh no, Ralph, you can't do that.
What?
Copy the question and put it in your topic sentence.
I know, Justin, I was only kidding.
Oh, thank God for that.
Yeah, what we need to do is to use different words or change the word order.
Yep, paraphrase.
In my opinion, foreign travel is very important for young people.
Not bad, Ralph. Did you do a rewrite?
Yes.
I always try to avoid using the word very.
Why?
Well, it's better if you can think of a better word that means very important. It shows that you have good vocabulary.
Oh, so in a test, I would score more points for not using words like very.
Yep.
Foreign travel is increasingly popular with young people in Japan. In my opinion, it is essential for self-development.
That's great, Ralph. Much better vocabulary and very thoughtful, giving so much more information for your readers.
In summary, I believe exploring different countries and cultures is a valuable learning experience for young adults.
Yeah, that's nicely paraphrased. You changed the words around quite a bit there. Exploring different countries and cultures is travelling and valuable learning experience. Wow, that's great.
I had to think about that one for quite a while.
That's what makes a good writer, Ralph. Thinking about it and making it better for your readers. Please help us to grow our YouTube channel.
Yes, if you are finding this video helpful, please like, comment, or subscribe. And don't forget to tell your friends.
Help us to avoid being thrown off YouTube.
It's not a laughing matter.
Next!
Social media is a wonderful thing. Do you agree?
All right, Ralph, so what do you say?
Well, my first try. I believe social media does more harm than good in our lives.
All right. Not bad. And a rewrite?
Social media plays a massive role in modern society, but I strongly believe it does more harm than good in our lives.
I like it, Ralph. That's very good. Much more powerful and more information for your readers. And the conclusion?
Briefly, in my opinion, social media platforms should do more to protect their users from people who misuse them.
Yeah, that's fine. It reminds the reader of what you were talking about, and it's all in different words. Nice one, Ralph.
Thanks, Justin.
Next!
Are computer games a complete waste of time?
Okay, Ralph. So what have you got?
In my opinion, computer games are valuable learning tools that help us develop a lot of useful skills.
That's good, Ralph.
Yes, but I think I made it better. Many people say computer games waste time, but in my opinion, they are valuable learning tools helping us develop useful skills.
Yeah, that's very good. And the conclusion?
To conclude, in my experience, computer games help us gain knowledge and improve our abilities in many ways.
Yeah, so different opinion expression in the conclusion and change the words, similar meaning. Yeah, that's great. I didn't know you were a computer gamer.
I'm not. I've never played a game in my life. Nobody said you had to tell the truth.
Ralph, what are you like? Is that it then? Have we finished?
No, just one more, Justin.
Okay, but the cows are coming home. Better make it quick.
Okay. Should children be allowed to have smartphones?
First time writing?
In my opinion, smartphones are a necessity for children over the age of 12.
That's not bad, Ralph.
Yeah, but this one is so much better, I think. When to give a child a smartphone is a difficult decision for parents, but in my view, they are a necessity for children over the age of 12 years.
Yeah, you're right. It gives good background information to the reader and leads them into the topic very nicely. And the conclusion?
To sum up, I believe that smartphones play an essential role in modern life for teenage children.
Yeah, nice paraphrasing. A necessity changed to essential role. Children over the age of 12 changed to teenagers. That's a good one. Yeah, that's great. And to conclude this video, there are 3 things that you need to remember when writing an opinion paragraph. Ralph?
Number 1. Decide your position. Agree or disagree. Number 2. State your opinion clearly at the beginning and the end with different words and expressions. Number 3. Don't copy from the question or other places. Try to use different words or change the order of them. Paraphrase.
We hope this video helped you. If you liked it, please give it a like, subscribe or leave a comment. We love them. And see you next time.